Why does everyone trust a shiny piece of metal that you can't even eat?
Oh, seems like he already tried eating.
Well, meet Ooga. He is caveman. And Ooga just discovered money. But before Ooga found this shiny round thing, life was complicated. See, Ooga hunts animal for food. When Ooga has extra meat, Ooga trades it. Meat for tools, meat for fruit. Simple system, right? And you know what? This system actually works pretty well. Until one day, it doesn't. Here's the problem nobody talks about. Meat goes bad. After a few days, meat smells terrible, flies everywhere. And worse, meat causes fights. Ooga gives big chunk of meat to neighbor. Next week, neighbor gives back small chunk.
Hey, my meat was bigger.
No. They argue loudly. Friendship? Dead. Ooga starts thinking, this whole system feels risky. But there's a secret about money that changes everything, and we'll reveal that at the end. For now, here's what happens next. One day, Ooga walking down path. Ooga sees shiny round thing on ground. Ooga picks it up. Heavy, sparkly, interesting. Ooga got an idea.
This shiny thing can be Ooga money.
Suddenly, everything changes. Money replaces meat. Money doesn't rot. Money doesn't smell bad. Money makes trade clear. Everyone agrees. 3 coins equals 1 basket of fruit. No fighting, no confusion. Trade becomes faster, calmer, better. But now Ooga's brain starts wondering something important.
Why does everyone trust money?
Think about it. It's just metal. You can't eat it, can't build a house with it, can't hunt with it. So why does it work? Here's the wild part. People trust money because everyone agrees to trust it. That's it. Money works because belief works, which means if belief breaks, money becomes fancy rock, nothing more. That thought probably should scare you a little bit. So what actually happens when you use money? Simple. You give money, you get food. You give money, you get shelter. You give money, you get tools. But here's the real magic trick. Money saves effort across time. Ooga hunts today. Ooga eats today. But Ooga also saves money, which means Ooga can eat tomorrow without hunting tomorrow. This feels like actual magic. But all magic has rules, and money's rules can be dangerous. Here's what Ooga notices about people and money. Money changes how people think. Some people get greedy. Some people forget about friends. Some people just chase numbers all day long, like hunting invisible animals. Ooga sees people collecting money like collecting rocks. They build huge piles, mountains of coins, and they never feel like they have enough. They always want more. Very strange behavior. So what's the truth about money? Money is powerful, yes, but money is not smart. Money doesn't think. Money doesn't care about you. Money is just a tool, like a spear, like a hammer. And here's the big lesson Ooga learns. If Ooga controls money, life feels easier. Money helps Ooga. Money serves Ooga. But if money controls Ooga, if Ooga only thinks about money, life feels heavy. Life feels empty. The real secret? Use money. Don't worship money. Money should make life better, not become the whole point of life. Remember, Ooga is still caveman. Ooga just has better tools now. The important stuff hasn't changed. Friends still matter. Family still matters. Sharing food around fire still matters. Money just makes the logistics easier. So yes, understand money. Respect money as tool. But never forget, you are boss, not money. Ooga is just one caveman, but tribe is many cavemen. Subscribe! Make try bigger. Learn money together. Caveman together strong.